What if I told you that the key to filling your pockets with money isn't hard work or luck, but something much simpler? Have you ever noticed how some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth while others struggle no matter how much they try? The secret lies in a universal principle that's been working quietly in the background of your life, the law of attraction. In this video, we'll uncover how your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs could be either blocking money from entering your life or inviting it in abundance. We're going to explore proven techniques to reprogram your mindset, align your actions, and tap into the natural flow of wealth. By the end, you'll learn exactly how to shift your reality and attract financial success, even if it feels impossible right now. Stick around because we'll reveal not only the most powerful steps to attract money, but also lesser-known tips that many people overlook. These could be the missing pieces you need to transform your financial life. Welcome to Imaginative Realities. If you're ready to unlock the secrets to abundance and take control of your financial destiny, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's dive in. Your relationship with money is one of the most powerful factors influencing your financial reality. From a young age, the beliefs you've absorbed, whether from family, society, or personal experiences, begin shaping how you view and interact with wealth. These beliefs often operate on autopilot, steering your decisions without you even realizing it. For instance, if you've been taught that money is hard to earn, you may unconsciously create barriers that make financial success feel like a struggle. Similarly, believing that rich people are greedy can trigger feelings of guilt or discomfort when you start to experience financial growth. These negative beliefs don't just stay in your mind, they manifest in your actions and ultimately your results. The key to unlocking abundance is to recognize these limiting thoughts and replace them with empowering ones. Imagine shifting from money is hard to earn to money flows to me effortlessly in expected and unexpected ways. By aligning your thoughts with abundance, you open doors to opportunities that were previously hidden. Your mindset becomes your ally, not your enemy. Setting clear financial intentions is one of the most crucial steps in attracting abundance. When your goals are vague, like simply wanting more money, the universe and your own subconscious has no specific target to work toward. It's like setting out on a journey without a destination in mind. Clarity is the key that turns your desires into reality. Imagine saying, I will earn $5,000 this month to invest in my dream. This intention is specific, measurable, and emotionally tied to a purpose. It provides a clear picture of what success looks like and why it matters. When your goal is this precise, your mind begins to align your thoughts and actions to achieve it. You notice opportunities you might have overlooked, and you feel motivated to take deliberate steps. Clarity also eliminates distractions and competing priorities. Instead of being overwhelmed by possibilities, you focus on the path that leads directly to your goal. This focus creates momentum, making it easier to stay consistent and take inspired action. Financial intentions that are detailed and meaningful aren't just wishes, they become powerful instructions to your mind and the universe, setting the stage for success. Visualization is a powerful tool to bring your financial goals closer to reality. When you picture your desired outcomes with clarity and emotion, you create a mental blueprint for success. It's not just about seeing it, it's about immersing yourself in the experience as if it's already happening. Start by imagining paying your bills with ease. Picture yourself looking at your bank account, knowing there's more than enough to cover your expenses. Feel the relief and satisfaction that comes with financial stability. Then take it further, visualize a life of complete financial freedom. See yourself traveling to your dream destinations, enjoying time with loved ones, or investing in causes that matter to you. Let the details come alive. What does your ideal home look like? How does it feel to step into your dream car? The secret to making visualization effective lies in your emotions. It's not enough to see these things, you must feel the joy, gratitude, and confidence as though you're already living them. Emotions create the vibrational match to your desires. aligning your energy with the reality you want to manifest. The stronger the emotional connection, the more your mind and actions align to make it real. Gratitude is a magnetic force when it comes to attracting abundance. When you're thankful for what you already have, no matter how small, you raise your vibrational energy and align yourself with more positive experiences. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, opening the door for financial blessings to flow more freely into your life. One simple yet powerful way to practice gratitude is by keeping a gratitude journal. Each day, write down at least 3 things you're grateful for, especially related to your finances. These could be small wins like finding a discount on something you needed, receiving unexpected income, or even just having the resources to pay a bill. By consistently acknowledging these moments, you train your mind to focus on what's working rather than what's missing. The act of expressing gratitude also creates a feeling of abundance in the present moment. This emotional shift reinforces a positive mindset, making it easier to attract more of the same energy. Over time, gratitude becomes a habit that not only improves your outlook but also enhances your ability to manifest financial success. Affirmations are a powerful tool for attracting wealth because they help reshape the way you think about money. These positive statements, repeated consistently, work to reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. When your thoughts align with abundance, your actions and opportunities naturally follow suit. Money affirmations like "I am a magnet for money" or "money flows to me effortlessly" are simple yet transformative. By saying them daily, you start to internalize these ideas, even if they feel unfamiliar at first. Over time, these affirmations act as reminders of your financial goals and the belief that you are capable of achieving them. The key to making affirmations effective is repetition. As you say them, feel the truth in the words, even if you're not there yet. This emotional connection strengthens their impact, helping you shift from doubt to confidence. Consistent use of affirmations can break old patterns of scarcity thinking and create a mindset that naturally attracts wealth. Manifestation is not just about shifting your mindset, it's about pairing those mental transformations with inspired action. While thoughts and beliefs set the foundation, it's your actions that bring those ideas to life. Taking proactive steps, even small ones, signals your commitment to achieving your financial goals and aligns you with the opportunities needed to succeed. Inspired actions can take many forms. Networking, for instance, opens doors to connections and possibilities you may not have considered before. A conversation with the right person can lead to unexpected financial opportunities. Starting a side hustle, even on a small scale, can generate additional income and grow into something substantial over time. Exploring new opportunities, like investing in a skill or trying a different career path, can shift your financial trajectory in ways you never imagined. Often, the results of these steps compound. A single decision to attend a workshop or connect with a mentor can ripple into significant financial gains down the line. Manifestation thrives on this synergy between thought and action, where the belief in abundance fuels your efforts, and those efforts in turn create the wealth you desire. As we've explored today, attracting financial abundance is a process of aligning your beliefs, intentions, and actions. By shifting limiting beliefs about money, setting clear and specific goals, visualizing your success, practicing gratitude, and using affirmations, you can reprogram your mind for wealth. But remember, manifestation requires action. It's through inspired steps like networking, pursuing new opportunities, or starting a side hustle that your dreams truly take shape. Now is the time to take the first step toward your financial transformation. Trust the process and know that with consistency and focus, your goals will begin to unfold. When you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions, financial abundance becomes inevitable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more content that empowers you to create the life you desire. Keep believing and keep attracting.